How to fix WhatsApp screen goes black when playing WhatsApp voice message. So if you simply open up your WhatsApp application, and if you simply go for any voice message, and if your screen goes black, then what you need to do is, the first thing you have to check that if you have used a screen guard, then remove the screen guard or the screen protector, because sometimes some screen protector might cause issue with the proximity sensor. Or the other thing is, if you're using a cover to protect your Android device, make sure that the cover is not covering the proximity sensor here. And also, the other thing that you have to take care is, when you're playing a voice message, make sure that your finger is not covering the proximity sensor. The proximity sensor is just the sensor from where the audio comes, right? So you need to simply make sure that you have not touched your proximity sensor. And once you've done all of these things, and if you think that your problem of WhatsApp application is not fixed, then what you can do is, you can simply go to the settings. Once you open your settings, you can simply go for apps and open up your WhatsApp, and then go for storage and cache, and go for clear cache. And once you've cleared your cache, now your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix your WhatsApp screen goes black when playing WhatsApp voice message. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and thanks for watching.